Hey guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve outline on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve outline on Roblox app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you can click on first on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox and you will go to this window here. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or your app or can delete your account. And in the end you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.